Today, dear students, we will continue with finding out the square roots of some more numbers. Root 5, like write down the number 5, put a decimal, place few more zeros. We will be finding square root of 5 up to 2 decimals. So put 0, mark units, tens as pair, hundreds, thousands as pair after the decimal. Let us start. We all know we will do only say perfect squares. So 2 2s are 4, 1, both pairs will come down. Since we are getting the digits after the decimal place, we'll place a decimal here. 2, 4 times, again bracket. Let us check which will be the perfect square. 42 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, so 2 times. Here also 2, 84, 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1, 00, 22 double करेंगे, we will double it, we will ignore it the decimal and say 22 and double it, it will become 44. Place a 1, then again check which number which goes. 3 times, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, so 3 times, it will become 1329 minus 10 minus 1 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, 5 minus 3 2. We are asked to find out till 2 decimal places. Therefore, root 5 is equal to 2.23. One more example we will see. We will calculate square root of 2.8 up to 2 decimal places. Square root of 2.8. So 2.8, place zeros, then put odd number of zeros because we already have one digit after the decimal place. 2 2 2, pair it. 1 1s are 1, 2 minus 1, get down 8 0, put to a decimal, double 1 and write 2, then again check. 26, 27 7s are 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18, so it is greater than 180, so 6 times. 26 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 156, 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 5 2, this time 2 more zeros down, 16 will become 32, then again place 32 in the bracket. Let us put 7 times and see. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. So this will be the most nearest number. So 7 times, 2 2 8 9, 10 minus 1, 9 minus 8 1, 3 minus 2 1. We will stop here because we are going to find out the square root of 2.8 up to 2 decimal places. Therefore, root 2.8 up to 2 decimal places is 1.69. After that, we will learn to find out cube roots. Dear students, remember one thing. When we are finding square roots, we had two methods. One is prime factorization and the other is long division method. But in cube roots, when we are finding cube roots, we have only one method, that is only prime factorization. Let us have cube root is represented by, we will write 3 and then make a square root like this, a root symbol. We will write 3 and then make a root symbol. This 3 should come under the root. Then we call it as cube root. This is the symbol for the cube root. Now if, for example, if we are asked to find out cube root of 1331 symbolically, this is symbolical representation of cube root of 1331. Else we can write 1331. Find out cube root of 1331 as in English. This is mathematically speaking. Now 1331. 1331. So let us start with 11. 11 ones are 11. 13 minus 11, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 23. So again 11 twos are 22. Then 11. 11 11s are 121. 11 ones are 11. So 1331 can be expressed as 11 into 11 into 11. So cube root of, when we are finding square root of, we were pairing it. When we are finding cube root, we will make 3 as 1. 3 triplets. We will make triplets. So cube root of 1331 is 11. One more example I am going